Wide Edition Productions.
Sri Lanka is a land of incredible beauty and rich history, but Sri Lanka is more than just a feast for the senses. It's also home to a variety of valuable mineral resources that have been mined and traded for centuries. Sri Lanka's mineral wealth is diverse and abundant, with precious stones like sapphires, rubies, and topaz, as well as minerals like quartz, feldspar, and mica. But one mineral that has captured the world's attention is graphite. Sri Lanka is home to some of the highest quality graphite in the world, prized for its unique structure and high purity. Graphite has a wide range of industrial uses, from batteries to lubricants to high-tech electronics, and Sri Lanka's graphite is particularly well suited for these applications due to its quality and purity. The mining and export of graphite are an important part of Sri Lanka's economy, providing jobs and income for many communities across the country. These graphite are mining in several locations. One of the most famous graphite mines in Sri Lanka is the Bogala Graphite Mine, which is located in the Kegal district. This mine has been in operation since the early 18s and is one of the oldest and largest graphite mines in the country. Next important graphite mine in Sri Lanka is the Kahatagaha Graphite Mine, which is located in the northwestern part of the country. This mine is known for its high-purity graphite, which is used in the production of high-tech electronics and other advanced applications. Another mine is located in Rajdara. The graphite deposits at Rajdara Graphite are found in large veins and metamorphic rocks, which are believed to be over 500 million years old. Rajdara graphite is a unique and valuable resource, thanks to its high purity and unique crystal structure. Sri Lankan vein graphite can be used to production of graphene and graphene derivatives like graphene oxide or reduced graphene oxide, graphene nanoplatelets, and expanded graphite. These productions will be a huge value addition for Sri Lankan vein graphite.